love nothing more than to see many different stripes and colors pursue the science field. We need it. I would love to see more diversity in the outdoors, because the natural world doesn't care. The natural world isn't biased. The natural world, there's no discrimination in the natural world. We all breathe the same air, and we drink the same water, and our DNA, our bodies are all made the same way. And so there's no reason that everyone should enjoy the outdoors and pursue the science field if that's what you're interested in. So don't let your diversity be a stumbling block to keep you away from being a scientist. And we need it. Our world needs it. It's talking to us every day about the need for protection as we look at the intense storms and the intense heat waves. I think Mother Nature's talking to us, and so we should all listen, regardless of our race, ethnicity, diversity. It doesn't matter. We're all on the same earth together.